I help to manage all of the systems and the infrastructure here at the company that helps facilitate our product movement inside the warehouse and out to the client. Devastating consequences of a server room being too warm or becoming too humid is you could have servers shut down, and they'll shut down on their own by themselves. And you don't want to have that naturally, because you've got databases that are running, you've got clients most likely that are networked into those systems that are conducting business. And if they don't have that ability to do so, we'll lose that very valuable client. Not to mention the server, which could be into the tens of thousands of dollars. It's allowed me to utilize my time more effectively and allowed me to be more of an effective resource throughout the company so that I can help take care of other issues that are out there, because I don't always have to be running to the server room every hour or 2 or 3 times a day. I can remotely monitor it. I can respond quickly so I can get in there and take care of things. I can shut servers down. I can perhaps find other ways of getting things cooled off in there if that's the case, or find where a leak is if we detect a leak or motion. We can have security respond as quickly as we need to. Would I recommend this product to others? Absolutely, and 100% without a doubt. It's an extremely easy product to use and to maintain, and allows you to save money in the long run.